what's up? Welcome back, and today we'll learn how to place buttons in our previous program. Like, let me just create a new folder in here. Call it buttons. Open it in IDE, and here we create our main.py. Our last program should be something like from Tkinter. Import everything from Tkinter, right? From Tkinter import everything. Then root was equal to tk, and we call our main loop function, right? For our main loop function, yeah, we have our program here. And before starting, let us just adjust our main Windows resolution, and the geometry, so like we can keep the track of it. We can use it. We can know how much of the screen that our program occupies. So from here, let us say root dot geometry. Well, just in pixels. And what if I put 1320 by 850? Yeah, we have a view window here. It's enough. Yeah, that's good. We're good to go. Now from here we'll learn how to, as we're gonna learn how to create buttons today, let us call button equals button, which is the function already imported from Tkinter, equals button. Now, where would the button be? If we were working with the top levels, which I'm gonna talk about it later, we would have to type here the name of the window we put in our widget in. But as we're working only with the root, as we're only working with one window, with one main window, we don't need it. But it's optional actually. If we put it, no problem. Text equals to, let us say, button 1, and we just create our button. If we run the program, you can see that the program, our button is not here yet because we didn't call it on the screen yet. So in order to put it on the screen, we'll need to use button.pack. We can call only pack, and it will be in the right top and the center of our main program. Now, if we want to put it a little bit down, we can use pad y equals 30, 20 maybe, 20, and side equals side equals left. Now I have a 20. We paired y of 20 and with x0. Now, this is one of the methods you can use to place a Tkinter button. Instead, you can use, instead of using button.pack, you can use button.place, which will have x-axis and y-axis. In x-axis, when put it in pixels, let us try to some value like 100, and with the y of 30 maybe. Run it, and we can see from this it started counting from 0, 0 right here. It's 0, 0, x0 and y0. If we move a little bit to this side until here, we find a x value of 100, and from up to down we find a y value of 30. You can play around with it. Let us put like 300, and this guy some like 500 maybe. Let us try it again. Now we can see that our buttons here. Now what if we just try to put in a what's that? What if we use our pack but try putting the next button into our program? Like the text will be equals to exit. And this will be pack. But you still see that our button, we have a next button here, but it does nothing. So in order to perform the task it should do, we need to create a function that will kill the main program. So here we put a command equals exit func. Now we need to create our exit func here. Define exit func pass for now. Yeah, we good. Well, we can continue. Now root dot destroy, which will kill these main root. Now you'll notice that when we kill our main root, every widget inside it will go to. You'll understand better after running the program. Let's run it, exit. You can see that now the program works. And when we click the exit button, it actually kills the main root. Let's put a ped y of 35 maybe. Ped y equals 35. And now we have an next button. That's pretty much it on how to add buttons in our main program. You can also use a button.pack, or button.pack, right? Pack grid and place. These are the methods or the functions that you can use to place buttons into your main Tkinter program. So that's all for the video, and I'll catch you in the next video, which I'll be talking about how to put background images in our program. So I'll see you in the next video.